Hey, my couponing friends! We have a Target gift card rolling deal this week, and I'm going to show you how to split your transactions so you can lower your out of pocket cost at the register. These deals are valid at Target through Saturday, June 13th. Before you start shopping, open the Target app and clip your Target Circle coupons. Make sure you scan every product before you check out because the coupons can vary by account. This week, Target is giving us a $10 Target gift card when we buy 3 select household essentials. For the first transaction, grab one Tide EVO laundry detergent tile box, the 16-count size, priced at $9.99. Next, grab one Gain Odor Defense Dryer sheet box, the 240-count size, priced at $9.99. Then grab one qualifying Bounce Dryer sheet box priced at $9.99. Your subtotal is $29.97. Check your Target app for the $2 Tide coupon and the qualifying $2 Fabric Care coupons. If all 3 coupons attach in your account, you will pay $23.97 before tax. Then, you will receive a $10 Target gift card. That makes your final cost $13.97 for all 3 laundry products after the gift card. Now, do not leave the store. We are rolling that gift card into the next transaction. For the second transaction, grab 3 qualifying Bounty paper towel packs. Look for the 4 triple roll packs priced at $11.79 each. Your total is $35.37. Use the $10 Target gift card from your first transaction, and you will pay $25.37 before tax. Then you will receive another $10 Target gift card. That makes your final cost $15.37 for all 3 Bounty packs after the new gift card. Before you buy the Bounty, check your Fetch Rewards account and the current P&G rebate offers. You may have additional savings available, but always check your own account before counting a rebate in your final total. Now, let's roll the gift card one more time. For your third transaction, grab 3 qualifying Cottonelle toilet paper packs marked at $11.69 each in the Target app. Your total is $35.07. Use the $10 Target gift card from your Bounty transaction, and you will pay $25.07 before tax. Then you will receive another $10 Target gift card. That makes your final cost $15.07 for all 3 packs after the new gift card. You can use that last $10 gift card toward groceries, another qualifying household transaction, or anything else you need at Target. One important tip: complete each deal as a separate transaction and make sure the register prompts the cashier for the promotional gift card before you pay. That is how you roll your Target gift cards and lower your out-of-pocket cost without making couponing complicated. Subscribe and turn on your notifications because I'm bringing you more in-store deals every week.